Hello fellow viewers, welcome back to Aliong'o Aerosphere, and let's talk aviation, right? Now imagine you are a pilot preparing for a flight from, let's say, Nairobi to Accra. Now before you would spend hours reviewing weather reports, fuel calculations, and flight plans. Today, in 2026, July, artificial intelligence can analyze millions of weather data points, predict turbulence, optimize routes, and recommend the most fuel-efficient flight paths in mere seconds. And that's just the beginning. Now, artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming aviation faster than ever before. But contrary to that, or to what some people may think, AI isn't simply replacing jobs. It's actually changing how aviation professionals work and creating entirely new career opportunities. Now let's start with pilots. Future pilots won't be replaced by AI, but they will work alongside it. Now think of AI as a highly intelligent co-pilot, right? Now it can monitor aircraft systems, detect potential problems before they happen, and help pilots make better decisions during challenging situations. For example, if an engine shows signs of unusual performance, AI could alert the crew long before a human might notice the issue, right? Now, the pilot's role becomes less about routine tasks and more about leadership, judgment, and decision-making. Now, imagine you're an aircraft technician now. Traditionally, mechanics inspect aircraft based on schedules. Now, but AI is making maintenance predictive. For example, AI can analyze thousands of flights and detect tiny little patterns that suggest a component might fail in the next few weeks. Now, instead of waiting for a problem to occur, technicians can replace parts before they fail. Now, this means safer aircrafts, fewer delays, and new opportunities for technicians who understand both aviation and data analysis. Air traffic controllers, how about them? Of course, they'll be seeing they're seeing huge changes. Now, every day, thousands of airplanes share the same airspace, right? Now, AI can help predict congestion. It can help identify potential conflicts and recommend safer, more efficient flight paths. Now, imagine Google Maps for the sky, right? But basically, it's operating in real time. Think about it that way. Google Maps in real time. So controllers will still make the final decisions, but they'll have much more powerful tools to help them manage increasingly busy skies. Perhaps the biggest impact of AI is the creation of entirely new careers. 10 years ago, jobs like AI aviation specialist, aviation data analyst, or autonomous systems engineer they were rare, or basically they didn't exist at all, right? But today, airlines, airports, aircraft manufacturers are actively looking for professionals who understand both aviation and artificial intelligence. Someone who loves airplanes and computer technology may find exciting opportunities that previous generations couldn't ever imagine. Now, the future of aviation won't be humans versus AI, as it might appear in most career or in most industries, but it will be humans working with AI. Pilots will fly smarter, engineers will maintain aircraft more efficiently, controllers will manage safer skies, and entirely new careers will emerge for those willing to learn and adapt. So if you dream of working in aviation, don't just learn about airplanes. Maybe it's high time you learn about technology as well. Because the next generation of aviation leaders won't just know how to fly aircraft. They'll know how to work alongside intelligent systems that help shape the future of flight. Well, I hope that's going to be you. Nevertheless, it's always a pleasure having you over. We'll say kwaheri kwa leo. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.